Hey my friends, Hank here. As I'm sure you guys know, today marks 81 years since the Allied Invasion of Normandy on June 6th of 1944. I've done a lot of D-Day inspired projects over the years, so I wanted to put together a little one-stop shopping list for you all, so to speak, of some of my favorite Operation Overlord-related projects for you guys to check out. Whether you're new to the channel and haven't seen some of these, or if you've been following for a while and you might have missed some of these from back in the day, hopefully there's something here that can provide a little inspiration for any D-Day projects you might have on the bench in honor of this anniversary. With that said, I will have a full list of links down in the description below to all of my D-Day builds if you'd like to check any of them out. Thank you as always for your support, guys. I hope you have a chance to watch some D-Day related movies or documentaries or read some more about that day of days to mark this special occasion. And until next time, my friends, be well, happy building. Cheers.